Hello, good morning. We are back again with some interesting topic on ACCA. Today, what we will do is we will talk about a little bit of the examination preparation process. I know examination is different for different levels of exams, different curriculum of exams, and the different courses, etc. And the ACCA exams also they are very very tricky. So you need to come out of the traditional method of preparing for the exam. So let us see. We will talk about the first paper that is accountant in business. So what you have to know firstly is thoroughly review the syllabus and study material. Practice, as you know, it's all multiple choice questions and take mock exams. You familiarize yourself with the exam format and the time constraints. Time is one major issue as we mentioned in the other sessions. So let us see how you should understand the exam structure and the syllabus. The first part is to understand the exam structure and syllabus. That means you have to familiarize yourself with the syllabus, meaning you are understanding the aim and object of the exam, learning outcome, and what is the exam structure. Then what you will do, once you are thorough with that, you will review the second and the exam. So what will happen? This will give you a clear picture of how the exam is structured and likely style and the range of questions you will get. Then you have to refer to the examining team's guidance. You all will be getting some monthly monthly student accountant paper now with all magazines. So here you have to understand from the team's guidance where to focus for the exam. They will also tell you the exam structure, question style, exam techniques and tips. Sometimes you will even find whatever they discussed in the magazine, same thing coming to the exam syllabus, real exams. And I always suggest you to go for the review of the examiner's report. Here what they will do, proper feedback to the students' performance and highlight the problem area. So after the exams, ACC will have an examiner's meet, and for each paper they will highlight what are the problems they came across in this syllabus. So this will give you, for you to get some tips and to avoid some mistakes which the examiner already seen. Then what you have to do is you have to focus on the study material and resources. And you all know ACCA use approved study materials like the DPT learning media, the plan publishing, etc. So you try to go through those study materials and thoroughly read the study text. That means you will gain a solid understanding of the concepts and how to apply them to the exam questions. It's not like our Indian style of just reading and you will get some question. No, you have to understand the concepts and how to apply the concepts for each questions. And of course, you have to reinforce your understanding. How you will reinforce? You will practice questions. You will do the revision materials provided by the publisher. So this will help you. The study material and resources will help you to do all these things. Then you have to practice the exam techniques. Meaning, I told you already, this level is full of multiple choice. So, multiple choice questions and F1 is a computer based and consists of multiple choice only. So, definitely you have to do mock exams to familiarize yourself with the exam format and the time constraint. Sometimes we will think multiple choice is very easy, but according to me, multiple choice is very tough. Unless you know exactly the answer, it's very easy for you to lose the marks. So you have to do a lot of mock exams to understand the questions, how they come, how you should appear, and etc. And also, you should review your answers. Meaning, sometimes you will find you are done with the questions in a short span of time. So what you will do, minus marking, it's better to go through the suspected questions which you felt it's not okay, I need little more time. So there is an option of flagging. So you can go back and review that. And of course, you have to focus on understanding the concept. Don't just memorize. Focus on understanding the underlying concept will only help you to pass any professional exam. And that too is ACCA. It's more application oriented exam. And again, some general tips I can say. Don't try to question spot, meaning focus on understanding the concepts rather than trying to predict specific questions. Once you understand the concept of one question, if the same concept is tested in any n number of times, you will able to score. So try to understand the concept, and also you focus on doing less questions really well rather than trying to do all the questions poorly. Isn't it? Even if you have done say 60 questions, and do the 60 questions nicely, thoroughly. So you are sure that you are passed 60 marks. Instead of that, you are hurrying without reading properly, without getting the concept properly, without understanding. You are hurrying to finish all the 100 marks questions. Maybe you will end up with the 49 marks because you did not spend time to understand the concept and analyze it. And of course, don't combine papers. Focus on one paper at a time to ensure proper preparation. We have 3 months time nowadays for the all other exams. With this 4 papers of foundation, you can even target, okay, let me take 1 month for one paper. You concentrate well for that paper 1 month, understand everything, clear it. Then you go to the next paper on the second month. You can fix yourself maybe 5 months to 6 months to clear all the papers according to your capability. So better you don't combine the papers. And of course, for any exams or any course to study, you have to be organized and create a study schedule properly. So when you are having a schedule, it will help you to stay on track and manage your time effectively. Your first priority should be to stick to your study plan. So you will not get diverted with the holidays, some other celebration, etc. Even if you want to do it, finish your plan of that day, then you go for your engagement. And in between, you can even take break and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Say, for example, you did 2 exams within 2 months. You can take 1 week break for you to get recharged. So once you are recharged, you will able to focus more seriously and avoid the burnouts. അങ്ങനെ പറയില്ലേ കുട്ടികൾ ഓ ഐ ആം സ്ട്രെസ്ഡ് ഔട്ട് ഐ എം ടയേർഡ് നത്തിങ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ഇൻ ടു മൈ മൈൻഡ് സോ ആ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് യു ഷുഡ് ടേക്ക് എ വീക്ക് ബ്രേക്ക് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ എക്സാം then you start the next paper. But when you start, you should be very much focused. Don't deviate from your study plan. And of course, when you have some issues, always get help, um, seek help from your tutors or from some other people whom you think or your friends, etc. So all the ACCA exams, for that matter, you have to be very much on the concept-based study. Without concept, understanding the concept, you will not able to clear the higher paper which is coming from the base, the 4 papers of the base. So my suggestion will be just to understand the concept very well. Even if you go wrong with an answer, you calculate and try to make your own judgment which concept I went wrong, then how I reach the exam. You, you have to apply the concept. Once you start applying the concept, you will never fail in the ACCA exams, not even ACCA, any professional exams. And as I mentioned in all my videos, professional exams are not like the college or university exams with regard to the difficulty level because you are going to be a professional and you are the one going to make some financial advice to a big board of directors of a company. So definitely you have to be perfect with the concept. That's why they make it little bit tight and make it more concept based. So here what I'm seeing is foundation papers, students feel, this is the same thing we have done in our plus one, plus two. But the method of study is totally different from plus one, plus two. Plus one, plus two is more straightforward and focused on the syllabus and the study material. But in ACCA, you will never find any questions repeated, and all questions you will find the same concept tested in different ways. So they are going to repeat the concepts only, and one concept can be repeatedly tested with the different types of questions. So the funda for any ACCA paper clearance is to understand the concept and how they are applying in each scenario or each question. Sometimes you will know the concept, but you don't know how to link it with the scenario. You have to learn to link that one with the scenario. That is what we provide in Models Academy. We will guide you with the proper guidance, experienced tutors, all qualified tutors. We will link the concept, and we will direct you the thinking path, how to implement those concepts when you are doing the exam. So all ACC exams, this is the way it is done. So today I just talked about the foundation level, that is the four papers which are on-demand computer-based ones, and they are multiple choice questions. Again, the syllabus is covered in detail. You have to score 50 marks, and you should know the concept. The full question is multiple choice. You cannot get luck unless you get the concept very well in each stage. Sometimes you will get luck with one or two marks. കറക്കിക്കുട്ടികൾ പറയില്ല നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ അങ്ങനെ പക്ഷേ ഫുള്ള് എക്സാംസ് ലക്കിൻ്റെ ബേസിൽ you will not able to clear it. That is what is lacking with our students, most common students. They are lacking to understand the concept and link by applying the concept to the each question. That is the most challenge. The moment you get the technique of applying the concept you studied with the scenarios, it's not at all a difficulty. So for that one, you need to really work on from the foundation level. Because the difficulty level and the challenges will getting more when you climb up the ladder. So you better to be clear with the concepts and how to approach the exam, how to apply the concept. Then you will be automatically thinking that level, thinking in the way of the concept and application, which will make your life very easy. So to pass the foundation level, understand the concepts, apply the concept, understand the syllabus very well, do enough practice, and make sure the concepts are clear. You understood the syllabus, what exactly is meant on each area. When you take the textbook, it will be mentioning each area what they are looking for. And when you go through the examiner's report, they will mention in this question what was the expectation of the examiner, how the students went wrong. So it's not only just studying the textbook and going and writing. You have to do a very good practice with a good strategy of going through all the resources provided by the ACCA. Nowadays it's more easy. Students resource center is provided in the ACCA website. You don't need anything more than that, and your own practice and the textbooks provided by the best learning providers like the BCP and the company. So preparation with the concepts and application will make you clear the exams without much hassle. So when you are missing this, that is the time we will find students with the 40s. That is very difficult, meaning they are almost there, but they are not able to apply the concept. So make sure you go through all this syllabus, objectives, what they are expecting, what is the outcome, learning outcome of the paper, how to prepare. One time you read fully what is given in the learning provider study material, that will give you a proper understanding of how to make your journey of passing the exams very clear. One or two papers you will find it little difficult, then you will automatically fall into that trap of application, getting the concept. Then you will not able to do anything with